cos A minus cos B is equal to 0. What's the formula, man? What's the formula, man?
Cos C minus cos.
Cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D minus
A plus B by C plus D by
Sin C
2
plus D by 2.
sin
minus D by 2.
C minus D
C
by
minus
2.
D by 2.
Am I correct? Apply it. What will I get? Minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 is equal to 0. How many cases it gives you? 2 cases. Remember, alpha beta is equal to 0 implies what? Alpha 0 or
Beta equal to 0.
Yeah, 0.
so what is one case? Tell me what does it gives you? Sin of A plus B by 2 is equal to 0. बच्चे लोग वो बच्चे लोग वो बच्चे लोग वो बच्चे लोग when is sin x 0 when x is n pi therefore what is your A plus B by 2 is equals to n pi cross multiply क्या देगा any doubts any questions so far so what is your A is equal to 2n pi minus b. Same method, next one. Same method, next one. Look here. What will I get? What will I get? Sin of A minus b by 2 is equal to 0. Tell me the next step. Tell me the next step.
Plus B is
A
equal to n pi.
A minus B
B
by
by
2
2.
equals n pi.
Pi.
n pi. So what is
A
your
minus B equals to n pi.
Minus B
A
equal
minus
to
B
2n
equal
pi.
to 2n pi. A
Equal
equals
to
to n pi
2n
plus
pi
b.
plus B.
Implies
2n pi plus of minus 1 whole power
2n
n
pi plus or
b.
minus b.
there is no whole power n. Here plus b, here minus b. When I club, what will I
2n
get?
pi plus or minus b.
Implies general solution is A is equal to 2n pi plus or minus b. Now, if you allow me, I will do geometrical solution also. Pay attention, all of it. Do not write. Listen here. Listen here. Look here. 0. Let this be. This is y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to minus 1. This is some y is equal to alpha. How much distance you are going to the right of 0? Alpha. Left of 0? Alpha. What is this? 0. Pi. What is this, man?
2 pi.
2 pi ka right में how much you are going?
Alpha.
Alpha. 2 pi का left में
Alpha.
alpha. Next 4 pi. 4 pi का right में alpha. 4 pi का left में alpha. So what is general solution? Alpha 2 pi का right में
pi plus alpha.
Next
4 pi
4
plus
pi का
alpha.
राइट में, नेक्स्ट
6 pi
6
plus
pi का
alpha.
राइट में, 0 का लेफ्ट में
Minus
माइनस
alpha.
अल्फा, 2 pi का लेफ्ट में
Pi minus
माइनस
alpha.
अल्फा, 4
4
pi
pi
का
minus
लेफ्ट
alpha.
में, 6 pi का लेफ्ट में,
Minus alpha.
ऊपर
minus
वाले
alpha,
पूरे
sorry.
above ones are
Above.
alpha to the right, above ones are alpha to the right, below ones are alpha to the left.
Left.
Club those two, club those two. What will I get? 2 and pi.
2 and pi plus or minus alpha.
Come on. This is theoretical, this is geometrical. Write this also. Today I will post questions on cos x. Okay? Can I clear left hand side?
Sir.
I'm waiting for answer, man.
1 minute, sir.
Do not disappoint me fast. All of you, keep trying, keep trying. Don't sit idle. This is not a live class. I do not know what you're doing, but still from your end, keep trying. Don't sit idle. Participate.
X
Don't
equals n pi by
don't be a spectator. Be a part.
Sir, x equals n pi by 3.
You'll have two answers, man.
Yes, sir. Second answer doing.
n pi by 2 and n pi by 3.
No, you won't get n pi by 2, man.
Sir, cos x can't be 2, sir.
What is sin C plus sin D?
Sin a plus b by 2, sin a minus b, cos a minus b by 2.
What is sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos
B by 2.
cos C minus D by 2. What's the left hand side one? 2 sin. बच्चों लोग, what is C plus D by 2? 6x by 2
Yes.
cos x minus 5x minus 4x by 2 minus 2x is equal to sin 3x. I told yesterday, don't cancel off sin 3x. You will lose solutions. क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं?
3x.
What remains?
So
Cos
minus
of theta is cos theta. Possibility 1. Possibility 1. So 3x is equal to what? X is equal to what? Possibility 2. Write the answer now.
so x is equal to 3 n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n pi divided by 6.
What will I get, man? What will I get, man?
n pi plus or minus pi by 6.
Cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2.
So
1
equal
by
to
2
5 by
is what,
2.
man?
5 by 2.
1
5 by
by
3.
2 is what, man? Cos
5 by 3.
5 by 3. So 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 x, man. N pi plus or minus pi by 6. यहाँ पे change it, man. You make it cos 7 alpha. Here you will make cos pi theta. बच्चे लोग, Cos is negative in which quadrants? Cos is negative in which quadrants?
Second, third.
Second and third.
Second
Second
and
and third.
third. Second and third. Can I take value in third quadrant? No. क्योंकि cos का principal domain क्या है? 0 to pi. So what
to pi.
value I should take? I should take value in second quadrant. You know what's the best way? Cos 7 alpha is equal to cos 90 plus half in is how much?
5/2.
Remember what is cos 90 plus theta? Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. Cos so what is 7 alpha? 2n pi plus or minus. What is 90 plus 90 plus 30? 120. What is 120 man? बच्चे लोग 120
By
2
3.
pi by 3. So what is alpha? Plus or minus. Next one.
So theta equals 2n pi by 5 plus or minus pi by 6.
बच्चे लोग आया
2n pi by 5 plus or minus pi by 6.
cos of phi theta is equal to cos of
Pi
90
by 2 plus pi by 2.
pi by
E.
3. Pi by 3. Because this root 3 by 2 in sine is sine 60. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sine theta. Therefore, what is phi theta? Bolo 2n pi plus or minus. What is 90 plus 60?
Pi by 6.
150. 150 is how much man?
Pi by 6.
So what is theta?
2n pi by 5 plus or minus pi by 6.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Anybody hint? I'll give one hint.
2n pi by 5 plus or minus pi by
What
10.
is sine 3 theta? Sine 2 theta. Cos. अब आ गया देखो आंसर. Cos A is equal to cos B. General solution. Cos A is equal to cos B. What is your A? Come on, give me the answer.
Completed, sir.
Abrar, answer बोलो.
Answer is theta equal to 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi minus 4 theta by 6.
Satyama.
Sir?
What will I get? 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus. Hello. How many cases will arise? 2 cases. How many cases will arise? 2 cases. Case 1 क्या लेना? Plus sign. Case 2 क्या लेना? Minus sign. Take plus sign first. What does it gives you? 3 theta is equals to 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. 5 theta is equal to 4n. Am I correct? Once I take LCM,
Sir.
what is theta? 4n plus 1. Bachalo case 2. Bachalo case 2. 3 theta is equals to 2n pi. Now plus or minus may. Plus or minus may. What sign should I take? Minus sign. What does it gives you? Minus pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Bring it here. Theta is equal to 4n pi minus pi whole divided by 2. 4n minus 1 pi upon 2.
Completed that one also.
What's the formula you use? What is sine square theta?
Sir, I wrote 1 dash
You
sin square x plus cos square x. Can you do like that?
I want to use cos formula, man. I will do only cos method. I will do only cos method. I want to use cos formula. No other method I don't know. Other methods I don't remember. I want to use cos formula. That's it. I'm waiting for the answer. Please try them. Don't sit idle. Keep trying.
Sir, x is 2n plus 1 pi by 2.
What is sine square x? 1 minus. What is sine square 2x? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 minus cos 2x. This 1 will cancel off. Half will cancel off. What will I get, man? Cos 2x. हम क्या अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं? What is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos. Come on, complete the problem now. Answer man. Hello. Did you complete this? I'm waiting. No answer from anybody. What happened?
2n plus pi by 6 comma 2n plus 1 into pi by 2.
क्या आएगा? What will I get man? 2 cos 4x plus 2x 6x by 2 cos 4x minus 2x 2x by 2. What is one possibility? When is cos 0? 2n plus 1. So x will be 2n plus 1 pi by 6. Another possibility. Is this clear? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions? I am there to explain. Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next one. ओलंपियास आंसर नहीं आ रहे आजकल, क्या हुआ? ओलंपियास I want answer man. Hello. What is 3 sin square x? 1 minus cos square x. 8 cos x. What will I get? 3 minus 3 cos square x. 8 cos x. Bring them here. 3 cos square x plus 8 cos x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorize them. Factorize them. Jaldi. Find the factors. Find the factors. Bachalog, what are the factors? Bachalog, what are the factors? 3 3s are 9. 9 के factors to get 8. Plus 9 minus 1. 3 cos square plus 9 cos x minus cos x minus 3. दोनों में से क्या कॉमन? 3 cos x कॉमन. क्या बचेगा? 1 should take 3 cos x common. What remains? Cos x plus 3. दोनों में से what I can take common? I can take minus 1 common. What will I get? 3 cos x minus 1 into What are the two possibilities? Cos x is equal to 1 by 3 and minus 3. Can minus 3 possible? No. Minus 3 is impossible. Why? Cos x always lies between what interval? Minus 1 to plus 1. Therefore, this is not possible. Only first one possible. Do we know the value of x? No. What you will write? X is equal to? This I did earlier. Cos x is equals to 1 by 3. How many graphs I should draw? Two graphs. What are the two graphs I draw? What are the two graphs I draw? I draw y is equal to cos x and y is equal to 1 by 3. Remember? Y is equal to cos x graph. In what interval I draw? Do I draw entire graph? Entire graph? Entire graph? Answer is no. Which portion I will draw? I will draw only minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Come on, draw minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cosine function graph. Can I? Is this correct? Cos 0 is 1. What is this man? What is this man? Now how is y equal to 1 by 3? Y equal to 1 by 3? Somewhere here. This is y is equal to 1 by 3. How many points it cuts, man? 2 points. So how many solutions? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions? Can I move on? Any doubts? Any questions? Is this clear? All
Clear,
of
sir.
you?
Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm moving ahead. Write this. I'm waiting for the answer. Come on. Don't sit idle. Keep trying. Chalo.
Sir, -1.
I asked some of the roots, man.
Sir, roots are 1/2 minus 3/2.
It cannot be
-2.
-3/2.
-2.
What is sine square theta? All of you, whole class, do not write. Listen here. It will be there on the board. You can copy later. I'll explain solutions in two methods. Method 1, method 2. Please listen to the problem. Listen to the solution. Whole class, please look at the board. What is sine square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. Cross multiply. What will I get? 4 minus. Bring all the terms this side. What will I get? 4 cos square theta. 1 minus 4. Any factors, man?
6 2. 6 cos minus 2 cos.
6 cos theta. What I can take common?
2 cos.
2
2
cos
cos.
theta common. 2 cos theta plus 3 minus 1 common. 2 cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. What is cos theta k values? Half and minus 3/2. No. That's the reason why I said, I'm repeating once again, whole class. I'm showing you two methods, one graph, one without graph, one graph, one without graph. Look here. What's the value of cos theta we obtained?
1/2.
Remember, where is theta lying in? Is it 0 to pi?
To 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi.
2 pi.
2 pi.
2 pi.
2 pi, sir.
Look here. One method without graph. Cos theta is half. Half is how much? Cos 60. Bolo. 2n pi plus or minus. Do not write. Listen here. Do not write. Listen here. Do not write. Listen here. I want values in what interval? 0 to 2 pi. Means what? Means what? 0 से लेके 360 तक. 0 से लेके 360 तक. Put n is equal to 0. What is your theta? What is your theta? Plus pi by 3 minus pi by 3. Which one I need to take? Which one rejected? Which one take? Which one reject? Which one take? Which one reject? Pi by 3 take. Pi by 3 take. Minus pi by 3 reject. Pi by 3 take. Minus pi by 3 reject. Because minus pi by 3 is not contained in the interval called 0 to 360. Therefore, A taken, A reject, n equal to $1. What is theta?
2 pi plus 3 by 3.
Theta
2
is
and
2 pi plus pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3. Which is taken, which is rejected?
2 pi
2
minus
pi minus pi by 3
3
is
minus 5 by 3 taken. Plus 5
Which is taken, which is rejected? First one rejected. Second one taken. N equal to 2. What is your theta? Bolo 4 pi plus pi by 3 and 4 pi minus pi by 3. First one taken? No. Second one taken? No. 4 pi plus 60. 4 pi minus 60. Is any one of them taken or both rejected? Both rejected. So n equal to 2, both rejected. Do I need to check for 3? Do I need to check for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on? No. You can stop. You can stop. You can stop. Now what am I asked to do? Read the question. Read the question. What did I ask? I asked you sum of all the values. Sum of all the values. How many values you are getting? Two values, two values, two values. What are those? What are those? Two values. Pi by 3 and 2 pi and 2 pi minus pi by 3. What did I ask? I asked for sum. Sum is equal to pi by 3 plus. What will I get? This is without graph. Now with the graph, cos theta is equals to half. Are we drawing entire sine function? No. We are drawing sine function in what interval? 0 to 2 pi. What is this? 2 pi. 0. Pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Pi. Y is equals to half. This is how many points it is cutting? How many points it is cutting? 2 points. What is this point, man? What is this point, man? What is this point, man? 60. What is this point? 2 pi से कितने degrees पीछे? 60 degrees. What is 2 pi minus 60? This is what 2 pi minus 60. How much, man? 5 pi by 3. So what is the sum? Sum is equal to pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 3. 6 pi by 3. Same answer. This is without geometry. This is with geometry. Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts? Any questions? I'm waiting here.
No, sir.
Any doubts, any questions? I'm waiting here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Chalo, proceed. Abrar, understood?
Yes, sir.
Warangal, understood? Warangal. You are not there in the class. Karimnagar, understood?
Yes, sir.
Riyadh, understood? Olympias,
Understood, sir.
I went to bring some water. Tell me, you're telling something. Olympias,
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Sinu sir, student, understood?
Yes, sir.
Olympias, Mallepalli, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Get some spice in the class, man. Participate. Be active. Class should be vibrant. You please sit at a place where there is no disturbance. Unmute your audio and video. Get a feel of live class. At least there was a hope that by December colleges will reopen. But oh Naidikrab, this whole academic year will go off like this, only online classes. There was hope earlier कि at least by December offline classes will start. Now that hope is slowly dwindling. It is going down slowly. Whole of this academic year, you have to manage things like this only.
Sir.
Participate in the class. Be active. Unmute your audio and video. Sit at the place at home where there is no disturbance. Get a live feel. Let us all rock. Participate.
Yes, sir.
Be active.
Okay, sir.
Class should be vibrant, man.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
चलो चलो.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Done, sir.
चलो next one. चलो चलो. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one solution.
Yes, yes, I'm here. Chalo,
One
answer.
solution, sir.
One solution, sir.
दिख रही उंगलियां? First, what is cos square theta formula 1? Or what is cos square alpha? Cos square alpha.
1 minus cos 2 alpha. 1 plus
1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2. So 5 into, what is cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 2 into, what is cos square theta by 2? 1 plus cos 2 into theta by 2. This 2 and this 2 will cancel off. This 2 and this 2 will cancel off. What will I get? 10 cos square theta minus 5 plus 1 plus cos theta. What will I get, man? 10 cos square theta plus cos theta.
-3.
इसको कुछ factors. इसको कुछ factors.
-b plus or minus root b.
5 and 6 नहीं है.
-5.
हाँ. 10 cos square theta 6 cos theta. दोनों में से I can take 5 cos theta common, 2 cos theta minus 1. इन दोनों में से 3 common. What will I get, man? 5 cos theta plus 3. What is cos theta is equal to? Hello, will both exist? Here, student will make a mistake here. He will feel that -3 by 5 does not exist. बच्चे लोग इन्हें भी exist करता, इन्हें भी exist करता. Do we know this value?
Yes, sir.
Do we know this value?
Yes,
No.
sir.
हाँ, -3 by का value कैसा मालूम है जी अपने को? Do we know half? Half is 60. We know. But do we know value for -3 by 5? No. Therefore, what's the method? What's the method? Graphical solution. So, cos theta is equal to -3 by 5, half. What interval you are asked to draw graph? What interval you are asked to draw graph? 0 to pi. This is 0. This is pi. At pi, what is the value, man? -1. What are the two other functions? Where is y is equal to half? Above. What is this line? Where is y equal to -3 by 5? Below. One solution. One solution. Total. Any doubts? Any questions?
No, sir. Completed, sir.
Can I move ahead? Can I move on one?
1 minute.
Yeah, I'm listening. After a long time, your voice. Uttar Pradesh. Tell me, man. I'm listening.
No, sir, I'm not, sir.
Huh?
Some other student.
Oh.
I was not.
एक साइन का प्रॉब्लम है, करेंगे? Write this. That's the reason why last week I had spent my entire time on drawing graphs. 3 sine square x. I want correct answer from the entire class. पूरा class बोलना correct answer.
Sir, 2.
Two solutions.
Sir, 8 solutions. Hello.
Sir, 2 solutions.
8 solutions.
8 solutions.
8 solutions, sir.
8 solutions, sir.
Sir, 8 solutions. Hello, sir.
बच्चे लोग answer.
8, sir.
Sir, 8
Huh?
solutions.
8
Oi,
solutions.
8
shabash.
solutions, sir.
Oi, shabash. Oi, shabash. Super. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yes, sir. 8 solutions.
Oi. Shabash. That's it. ये हुई ना बात. What are the factors?
1/3 and 2, sir.
3 sin square x
Minus 6 sin x minus sin x.
3 sin x common. So what is your sin x?
1/3 and 2.
1/3 and 2. Can it be 2?
No.
Do we know? Hello. Can you solve this problem without graph? No.
No.
Why? Because you do not know 1/3 is what degree. Do we know 1/3 number of degrees? No.
No.
Therefore, only method for this problem is graph. Zero, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. I think bus hai na?
Yes, sir.
0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi. How is y equal to 1/3? What is this
Above
line?
x-axis.
What is this line? Where is y equal to 1/3? Here. What is this line? How many points it cuts? How many
8.
points it cuts? Eka, Duki, Tiki, Chaukita, Panji, Chatti, Sati, Atti. How many points it cuts? 8 points. How many solutions? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Solutions.
5, 6, 7, 8 solutions.
Done, sir.
Answer.
Done, sir.
Okay then. We shall continue tomorrow. Thank you. I'll send the assignment on course. Solve it for today. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.